How to cancel hotel booking in Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel a hotel booking on Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to cancel a hotel booking that you've made on Expedia, it is relatively very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Expedia application that you can find here, and then you want to make sure that you're simply signed into the account. Once you make sure that you're signed into the account, what you basically want to do is you simply want to come to the trips tab right over here. Once you come to trips, you'll be able to see all of the bookings, reservations, flights, or any of the other reservations that you've made on Expedia. And if you'd like to cancel a specific booking, you'll be able to find them here. You can just find the booking using the itinerary number, and then you can go ahead and then cancel them respectively. Otherwise, what you can do is, in case you don't happen to find it, you can just tap the chat icon that you can see from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the chat option from the bottom right, it's going to ask you to chat with the virtual agent, whereas you can just go ahead and chat with them in order to successfully go ahead and let them know that you want to cancel a hotel booking that you've made. So this way you can cancel your hotel booking on Expedia. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.